Morning student. Today we start question number 39. This is one is a complete questions. Operating, investing and financing activities. So we start the following information. Prepare the cash flow statement. Opening cash and cash balance given in the question. Closing cash and cash. Decrease in inventory. Increase in bills receivable. Sale of fixed assets. Repayment of long-term loan and net profit for the year. So first from the following information ना तो हम लिखेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. ओके, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन हम देखते क्या क्या. हाँ, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 39 हम यहाँ लिख लेंगे पर्टिकुलर. इधर अमाउंट को मैं रुपीज से शो कर देता हूँ. फर्स्ट इज अ कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट व्हाट इज दिस कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम इन्वेस्टिंग एक्टिविटीज. अनदर इज अ कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम financing activities and last one is a second is a cash flow from financing activity and third one is a cash flow from investing activities and then last cash and cash equivalent. Okay, cash and cash equivalent is the last. So in this scenario ma'am you can total cash flow during the year 1, 2nd and 3rd. Now cash and cash equivalent. What amount comes in a cash and cash equivalent? So listen, in this question opening cash and bank balance given. So we put 1,50,000 cash and bank. This one is the opening cash and cash equivalent. Given in the closing and cash equivalent. So this one is a closing cash and cash equivalent. Amount is given in the questions. 1,70,000. 1,70,000 is a cash and cash equivalent. Okay, 1,70,000 cash and cash equivalent. So this amount come this plus this one. तो अगर हम रिवर्स मैकेनिज्म से जाए तो देखेंगे 170 minus 150 is equal to 20. It means during the year cash flow is a 20 आना चाहिए. Listen carefully. This equations को अगर आप क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में सही करके आएंगे तो एटलीस्ट 1.5 marks you are getting. So रिवर्स मैकेनिज्म से भी जा सकते हो. Further information given in the questions. Decrease in inventory. फर्स्ट सबसे लास्ट में दे रखा है नेट प्रॉफिट. नेट प्रॉफिट ले लेते हैं हम. सबसे पहले पुट करते हैं नेट प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर. अमाउंट इज अ नेट प्रॉफिट. सो डिक्रीज इन इन्वेंट्री इज 80,000. नेट प्रॉफिट फॉर द ईयर 20,000. तो हमने लिख दिया नेट प्रॉफिट एस पर SPNL स्टेटमेंट ऑफ P&L. अमाउंट इज 20,000. मैंने थोड़ा सा इनर कॉलम का यूज करना चाहूंगा मैं, आउटर कॉलम में नहीं. वाई? बिकॉज वी प्लस एंड माइनस सब्सट्रैक्ट एंड एक्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे अमाउंट को. फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन इन द क्वेश्चंस. डिक्रीज इन इन्वेंट्री इट मींस ऐड होगा. So we write this decrease in inventory. Amount is 8,000. This one is the add one. Further information: decrease in inventory and increase in bills receivable. Increase in bills receivable. Bills receivable is a increase in bills payable. Bills payable is your your current liabilities. So increase
बिल्स पेबल ऐड होगा बिकॉज करंट लायबिलिटीज इंक्रीज होती तो ऐड होती है, डिक्रीज होती तो लेस होती है. अमाउंट इज द 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Okay, this all amount paid. Further information. Sale of fixed assets. Sale of fixed assets is a investing activities. So this one is a sale of fixed assets. Sale of fixed assets amount is a sale of fixed assets amount is a 3 lakh. 3 lakh is their financing activities. Further informations. Repay of the long term loan. Financing activities. Repay of loan. Repay it means amount आपका outflow हुआ, outflow it means minus. Repay of the loan is a minus amount we show in a bracket. So this one is a cash flow from operating activities. Cash flow from operating activities. Amount is a 120 plus 20 140 or 148. ठीक है. Cash flow from operating activities is a amount is a just one more. This one is a 80,000. Okay. 120 plus 22 lakh 2,20,000 in a outer column. 2,20,000. This one is a finish cash flow from investing activities. Activity amount is a 3 lakh. Okay. This one is a cash flow from financing activities. Minus 50,000. Minus 5 lakh, sorry. Plus 5 lakh 20,000 minus 5 lakh is equal to 20,000. Let's see. This one is your answer. 20,000 plus 150 is equal to 170. You can check it. This one is the complete questions of the cash flow, question number 39. Okay, beta.